Why does your scanner show the P2144 engine code? What does it mean? P2144 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation vent control circuit low. The P2144 engine code for indicate the vehicle's computer, ECM or PCM, has detected an irregular signal, poor continuity, or low electrical voltage in the circuit regulating exhaust flow. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or connectors, defective vent solenoid, clogged or dirty EGR valve, clogged EGR passages or tube assembly, vacuum leak or kinked line. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW, Chrysler, Jeep, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.